Placement of drain valve. Please check and ensure the machine is placed over stand and is placed at designated place. If machine is being assembled placed other than designated place, then please do not fix the drain valve. Once machine is assembled at the right place, then take the drain valve and unscrew the PVC socket, remove thin rubber washer and place the drain valve over the drain hole of the water tank, such that the thread end is moving out of the machine. To properly attach the drain valve, place the washer over the thread and tighten the PVC socket over the thread.